Okay people, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. This will probably be the last one today. It is now 6:30. Well, this will be the last one up here. So I got smoker burning good. This one says it has a blue queen. It's number 441. We made a lot of splits off of this queen. Used to be 445. It says I was in here on the 4th, which is 22 days. And maybe I just didn't write it down. Let me write down something here so I don't forget it. 826. Okay. Go ahead and see what we got.
Yo, check it out. Want to know if the price of those wave runners is too good to be true, or if I wear my Kicks 49 is truly selling today?
I hate a phone that keeps just wanting to play. It's on an app that I didn't didn't request, didn't want. But it's a smartphone, so it's smarter than me, so it knows what I want to play, right? Phone I just had to buy because of my last one I dropped in the water. Okay. Food dish off, no bugs yet. Let me go get my sit down thing. Getting late in the day for the old guy. And we have 8 frames in here. Take this one out first. That looks like it's just a frame, one that we built. Okay. One that we built. The bees are walking on it, but not doing a whole lot. Which is okay. We'll put it right there. Take this one off. Bottom looks clean. This one has some nectar. Has some nectar, little honey on that side. This one has some brood, has some larvae, has some nectar, has some pollen. This hole right here on your left is one that we cut when we cut out the queen cell to make another split with her. And they're doing fine. They just like the hole, communication holes. Can't do that with plastic. I'll get my nose again today. This one here has some nectar. They're fast tuning, so we're not going to bother them a little bit. They're fast tuning there on your left and on the bottom. Fast tuning is when they're building foundations. That's when they're hanging down like that. This one I had turned around backwards for whatever. Y'all want to see how they're doing? Just look at playlist 441. This one here has, my son is moving around now. This one has some brood, some larvae. This is the one with a real bright queen. We're going to turn it back the way it's supposed to be. No bugs. Blue queen, pretty blue queen, honey, nectar, brood. We have a queen, so we probably have eggs. There's the queen. And I don't think I'm gonna mess with them no more. Put their feeder dish back on. They got some pollen. Give them some peppermint here. Now I can smoke the bottom of this hive through the door. And all these bees have come to the top. Y'all think I had a whole bunch of them in here. That's all I'm going to say about that. Give them some food. I have enough to do with what I got to do, y'all. Okay, no bugs. Feed her stuff again. Feed the hook. Oop. Put that there. We're gonna write on it this time. 26. We got a blue queen. Eggs. Brood. And okay, that's it for today, people. I've had all the fun I can stand, I think, and my body has anyway. I could do it all day long. Y'all have a great day. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Be happy, be safe this weekend, so we can talk to you next week. Y'all have a great one. Bye. I'm gonna get something to eat now.